Welcome back to Mike's Fitness and Food, everybody. Have you ever wanted more balls in your mouth? If so, we've got the solution for you. Protein balls, homemade. Keep watching to see the recipe. Okay, first we add the oats, our rolled oats, and then we add 2 cups or 2 scoops of we are using Choc Peanut Butter Cup protein. Get all that in. Then we add our wet ingredients, which we have our peanut butter. This is the smooth peanut butter. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. This will just help enhance the flavors. And then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of honey. Nice and runny. And then once this is all in, we're going to mix it together and create our balls. Okay, we can start mixing this and we'll cut back to when it's all mixed together. All right, now that it's all mixed together, we're going to start rolling our protein balls. We're going to want them roughly, what do we say? Roughly about that size, sitting in the palm. And then we can move the camera over to here, and we are going to roll them in some peanut butter crumb, just to get that little bit of coating on the outside. Now we're going to do this with the rest of them, place them on a tray, and then we will go from there. This is now our finished product. We got all our protein balls ready with the peanut butter crumb, and now they're going to go chill in the fridge for a good 30 minutes, and then we're going to try them out. Okay, after 30 minutes, it is time to check on our protein balls. It's definitely smelling nice in here. So we can pull them out of the fridge. They're nice and set, and we can give them a try. Now, let's try one of these delicious balls. Yum. Now, let me show you what we used MacroMike's Choc Peanut Butter Cup protein powder for these protein balls. Excellent. Easy recipe. I'll post it in the description. Make these yourself. It's really yummy. And we'll see you all for the next recipe.